HEAVYCON EVO from Phoenix Contact is the robust yet inexpensive heavy-duty plug-in connector system made from fiberglass reinforced plastic. Reduce your logistics costs. The combination of the various cable gland diameters and housing sizes saves you inventory space. Depending on the room available, you can snap the cable glands onto the housing either horizontally or vertically, right on the installation site. HEAVYCON EVO housing is norm compliant and therefore compatible with all standard aluminium housing. For more efficiency in machine building, HEAVYCON EVO heavy-duty plug-in connectors from Phoenix Contact.